one great benefit of using the Quickbase connection, because you are able to filter data tables by Quickbase records. So this means that you are not limited to having to download all your data and then doing a filter on FastField. It is cumbersome, so what we created is filtering data tables by Quickbase records. This means that only relevant records are displayed within FastField, making forms load faster and easier to navigate. And then these are the steps on how you would do this. So the first step is going to be create and save a filtered Quickbase report. So within Quickbase, we are going to navigate to your desired table. So on the left, or excuse me, on the right hand side, you see 3 screenshots. So that's going to be screenshot number 1. That's my desired table. So it has all my records. The next step is going to be creating a new record and apply the necessary filters to narrow down the data sets. So for example, you only want to select active projects. I filtered my main table and now I'm only showing one record because I filtered it. And then step 3 is you're going to ensure that key field, it's usually the record ID, so you don't need to do anything special. It is going to auto use that record ID to be included, and you configure this in your report settings. And then once you do that, all you need to do is save the report. And you do that in the last screenshot that I included by clicking on the 3 dots icon, and then it's going to have the option to save the report. So that's all that you need to do within the Quickbase side. And then within the FastField side, that's going to be step 2.